Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ria Study Cycle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 14, surface areas and volume, that means cube and cuboid, in that exercise 14.1, fourth problem. So fourth problem is find the cost of painting a cuboid of dimensions 20 cm into 15 cm into 12 cm at the rate of 5 paisa per square centimeter. So here they gave the dimensions of cuboid, that is 20 cm into 15 cm into 12 cm. If any problem with this type of model, we have to blindly take L into B into H. So here L into B into H equal to 20 cm into 15 cm into 12 cm. So we can write separately now. L is 20 cm. Breadth B is 15 cm and height H is 12 cm. Let's take cuboid like this. Here we have L equal to 20 cm, B equal to 15 cm and H equal to 12 cm. So these are the dimensions of this cuboid. So how many faces a cuboid has means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Front, back 1, 2, left, right 3, 4, top and bottom 5, 6. So a cuboid has 6 faces and the painting is applied to all 6 faces. So here we have to find the total surface area of the cuboid equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula for total surface area. Now I am going to derive this formula, how it came. So here firstly we have 6 faces for the cuboid. So we have to find the area of all 6 faces. So total surface area equal to area of first face is here L, H and H. Here B, H and H. Here L into this one is H. And for sixth face it is B and it is H. So first face area is L into H, that means LH, plus second face area is B into H, that means BH, plus third face area is this one is L and this one is H. L into H is LH, plus fourth face area is B into H, that means BH, plus fifth face, that means top face area is L into B, that means LB, plus bottom area, that means bottom face area is breadth into length, that means LB. Here LH plus BH plus LH plus BH plus LB plus LB. So here we have double times of LH and BH and HL. So we can write 2LH plus 2BH plus 2HL. So from these 3 terms we can take 2 as common. So then we get 2 into LH plus BH plus HL. So this is the formula for total surface area. So now we have the measurements like LBH. So we can apply in this formula. So TSA is equal to 2 into L is 20 into B is 15 plus B is 15 into H is 12 plus H is 12 into L is 20. 2 into 0, 15 to the 30. So 300 plus 15 12 are. Here I am doing rough work right side. So 15 into 12 is 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 2 plus 1 3. 1 15 is 15, 0, 6 7 8 1. So 15 12 is 180 plus 12 20 is 240. Next step is 2 into 240 plus 180 plus 300 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So we got 720. So 720 into 2 is 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14. So we get 1440 centimeter square. So total surface area is 1440 centimeter square. So we have cost of painting per 1 centimeter square is 5 paisa. So here they gave the cost is in paisa value. Here we have to convert this paisa into rupees. So cost per 1 centimeter square equal to 1 paisa equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So here 5 paisa equal to 5 into 1 by 100 rupees. So 5 into 1 is 5 by 100 rupees. So we have to find the cost per 1440 centimeter square. So since cost per 1440 centimeter square equal to 1440 into 5 by 100. So here the multiplication of 1440 into 5 is 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22, 5 1s are 5 plus these 2 6 7 720. That means 7200 by 100. So we can cancel these two zeros, then we get 72 rupees. So hence the cost of painting per 1440 centimeter square is 72 rupees. So this is the solution for this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find them. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.